love coming to these shows, and we are here right now, so let's go take a look to see what we have. So we are so excited to show you what we offer. We create kits to be installed inside of your van, whether it's a Sprinter, a Dodge, or a Ford. We offer the Tequila Sunrise, Pina Colada, Hot Toddy, and the Mojito. It is all made out of polycarbonate, extruded aluminum, super lightweight and durable for all of your adventuring. It's really awesome stuff. Today we actually have the Tequila Sunrise kit with us, so let's go take a look at it. All right, so stepping in, we have our 4 seats, which is a great space to share dinners, breakfast, card games, drinks, you name it. You can set up a table right here. This also turns into a full queen size bed, and it's really comfortable. We have a mat that is about like 2.5 to 3 inches thick. It is awesome. In the back galley here, we have a kitchen with a sink. Gray water and freshwater tanks are located underneath. We also have a fridge and freezer, which very conveniently located right here. Tons of counter space, tons of storage. We also have a power outlet for all of your charging needs as you're out on the road. Maybe you are trying to work in your van. We have it here for you. It's a really awesome kit. We invite you to go check out our website to learn more.